Welcome to 20 Minute Setswana, lesson number 16. Rebuile gape with another lesson to teach you some Setswana. Leina la meketian.
La Melina ke Mpho.
Le amogele segile bagaetso.
Perfect.
So, Mpho, a o siame?
Ke siame ra au siame.
Ki siame.
Maybe you're a teacher, maybe you're in school. 20 minutes Setswana is the best thing for you. So take it slow and step by step before you know you're ready to go. Say yeta!
We're still busy with ordering things in a restaurant, and I would like some clarity on a few things. I know that I eat is keja.
Yes.
Am I saying it correctly? Ja.
Ke ja.
Keja. Okay. Now, if I eat, how would I say that?
Ke ja.
Keja. Okay, so keja is I eat, but also I am eating, correct?
Yes.
Let's just take that to the past tense quickly. I ate. What would I ate be?
Ke jele.
Okay. So it goes from ja to jele.
Yes.
Ke jele, I ate.
Yes.
And can I take a guess as to what will be I will eat? Ke tlaja.
Perfect.
All right. Ke tlaja.
Yes.
I will eat. Let's have a scenario here. Because I, for instance, I don't eat cheese. What is the word for cheese, by the way?
We don't have a word for cheese, but we
Okay.
usually use kasi.
Just kasi.
Yes.
So I don't eat cheese, but let's say, for instance, there are a lot of people that don't eat bread or things that they are allergic to. Okay. So if I eat bread, I say ke ja boroto, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now to make that negative, I would say ga ke je
Yes.
boroto.
Perfect.
All right.
Perfect.
And by the way, do you have a name for hamburger? A word for hamburger?
Not. But
Okay.
as you sit in a restaurant as a young person in this era, ke ja bega.
Okay. Ke ja bega.
Yes.
That's it. All right. Let's say the restaurant owner asks me, how many people are you? How would he say that?
Le batho ba le bakae.
All right. Now, let's see if I can break that up. Kai normally is where.
Yes.
Okay. Does it mean where in this context?
How many?
Really?
Bakae.
Okay. So, kai can either mean where or how many
How many?
in this context.
In this context, yes.
Obviously, the bakai is that part of that makes it one phrase. Is that one phrase, bakai?
Bakae. It's one phrase. How many?
How many?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if I were, for instance, to ask you how many cows, can I say bakai komo? Or
No.
all right.
Dikae.
Oh yes, of course. It's dikai because it's in the ne di class. So the plural, that's the plural noun prefix.
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to answer this question. We are 4 people. How do we say that?
Re batho ba le bane.
Okay.
Re. It's we. Ne?
Yes, re is we.
Batho.
Bacho's people.
People.
All right. The plural of moto.
Yes. It's
Bacho,
batho.
people. Yes.
And bane. Remember? Ne. It's a number 4. But as it's with people,
Okay.
bane.
So in the grammatical section, we'll pick this apart and just make sure we understand exactly what the technical names are of these words.
Yes.
Now, we've already learned that kekarata means I would like.
Yes.
Kekarata. Okay. Now, if I asked a question to you, would you like something? Is it a okarata?
Yes. It's a oka rata.
Okay. So if I were to say, would you like to wait? How would I say that?
A oka rata go leta.
A okarata goleta.
Yes.
All right. I got that. The a is the question, the interrogative article.
Yes.
Or is you.
Yes.
Karata
Karata.
would like.
Yes.
And then goleta,
To wait.
to wait.
Yes.
That's the verb to wait.
Yes.
All right. So if I were to ask you, would you like to drink? It's aukarata
Go nwa. Perfect.
All right.
Perfect.
And if I were to say, would you like to drink something? Aukarata go nwa sengwe.
Yes. Yes. That's perfect.
Okay. So this seems a little bit formal. Would you like to wait? Could I also say au batla goleta?
Yes.
All
Yes.
right. Okay. So that's possible. Is it a little bit less formal though? Just saying.
That one, yes. It's from, obviously, if I speak to my mom,
Mm-hmm.
I'll say, o ka rata go leta.
Okay, because there's
I'm asking her of her feelings. Is that what you would like to? But as you, my friend,
yes.
o batla go leta.
When we know one another and we are friends, I can just say "Au batla go leta."
Yes.
Okay. Let's say someone across from me is ordering something, and I point to that plate and I'm like, I would like that, like some of that. How do I say that?
Ke ka rata seo.
Ke karata seo.
Yes.
I karata would like seo.
That one.
That.
Yes.
If it's a little bit closer and I say I'd like this, like a point on the menu,
Yes.
how would I say that?
Ke ka rata se.
Okay, so it's not seo now, it's se.
Yes. It's se here. Seo. Sele.
Is sele even further
Even
than...
further.
Okay, so I would like that one over there.
It's sele.
Ke karata sele.
Yes.
By the way, is there a word for barbecue in Setswana?
No, not at all. I don't remember any word.
All right.
But how about we use braai?
To those of you that aren't familiar with the Afrikaans word braai, or the South African word braai, it's a verb, obviously, and it means to barbecue. We're going to braai. All right. So I suppose the whole of South Africa would know what you're talking about.
Yes,
You said
exactly.
we're going to braai.
Yes. Unless lately, did you hear about shesanyama?
Shesanyama.
That's a Zulu now.
Oh, is that a Zulu word?
Yes, to burn a meat, literally.
Oh, okay. That's
Yes,
interesting.
To burn a meat. So I think if somebody out there, like you said,
Shesanyama.
shisa.
Shesanyama.
Shisa.
Okay.
Shisa comes from borrowed word ukushisa, to burn.
Okay.
Nyama, it's nama. Inyama.
Okay.
Yes, from meat.
I'm gonna start using that. Shesanyama. So would most South Africans also know Shesanyama?
They will definitely know.
Know what I'm talking about?
Yes.
Well, that was a little bit of a cultural lesson. We added in there. So Mpho, thank you once again. Ke leboga.
Ke lebogile.
Don't forget to go to the website 20minutesetswana.co.za. All the info regarding these lessons is on there. And we'll see you next week on 20 Minutes Setswana. Go fitlela nako e etlang.
20 minutes Setswana is the best thing for you. To take it slow and step by step